Hey guys, today I'll be shooting the AnCap gun. This is from the AnCap Grind music video that I did on the 1st of January of this year. If you want to check it out, it's in the comments or the description of this video. And I'm going to be shooting 20 rounds through it, that's 2 mags, and see how I do. I'm going to try to do a little rapid fire to see, if it was a real life self-defense situation, could I at least get most of it on center max. So let's try that. Oh, right. Oh. So I was aiming center mass right there, and mostly in the chest area. Overall, pretty good, I would say. I could definitely do much better in terms of aim and tighter groupings, but it was really fun to practice.
Thank you for watching, and a special thank you to my Target Club members. Help me produce more quality content and receive special perks for your monthly support by joining my Patreon, Subscribestar, or Float pages. Let's promote a greater culture for firearms fandom.
Yes, freeze!